Hello beautiful people, Yasmin here. Welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Today you're in for a phenomenal, fantastic treat. I am sharing with you my beautiful citrus herb vinaigrette. It's really quick and easy to pull together. I'm going to be serving this with my arugula watermelon salad, but you can use it on any salad that you prefer. So let me take you through how I pull together this really quick and simple recipe. While you stick around, don't be shy, hit that subscribe button. Get the printable recipes on our food blog. Okay, for this recipe, I'm using red onions that's finely diced. It's about 2 tablespoons. You could actually use shallots if you wish. Okay, now I'm going to add herbs. This is fresh oregano, about 2 teaspoons. I'm going to add tarragon. This is about 2 teaspoons as well. Fresh is best in this recipe. 1 small clove of garlic that I've pressed in a garlic press. I'm going to add my Dijon. 1.5 to 2 teaspoons is good. Put a little bit more, so that's 2 teaspoons. Okay, I want a bit of sweetness in the dressing, so I'm going to add honey. About 2 teaspoons of honey. I'm using raw organic honey. Using salt, sea salt, or kosher works as well. I'm using about 1/4 teaspoon, but you can adjust that for your diet. I'm using some fresh ground black pepper. That's about 1/8 of a teaspoon. I like to use red wine in this red wine vinegar in this recipe, so I'm adding 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. I'm using 2 tablespoons of orange juice, or grapefruit juice also works. To this, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Okay, so now what I want to do is add my oil, and I'm using specifically avocado oil, but you could certainly use extra virgin olive oil, and just mix. You could use a whisk if you prefer. Looking beautiful, nice and creamy. Wow, that is beautiful. It's perfect. I should taste a little bit. Damn, that is delicious. The avocado oil was perfect. It tempered down the acidity from the orange juice and the lemon juice. It's absolutely delightful. So I do hope that you'll take the time to make this absolutely easy citrus herb vinaigrette or dressing. Until next time, happy cooking!